Bro, my ears popped, bro. Yes, sir. Y'all see that, boys? She looking clean. Good thing it rained, you feel me? Oh my God, let me get in this. It's kind of cold out here. Boys, today, something probably you guys didn't expect, or y'all hear the exhaust? Y'all hear the exhaust, right? Just take a good listen. It's pretty quiet, you know? Hold up, let me set you guys down real quick. Is this a good angle? I don't know. But today, boys, oh shit, wait. Today I'm gonna go get the muffler I have on taken off. The only reason why is because it hits my sway bar, so I don't like that. And then I also have an exhaust leak, so hopefully I can get that patched too. Other than that, that's pretty much all I'm doing today. Maybe I have something coming in the mail. That's probably gonna be for next week's video. And it's nothing too crazy, but I'm kind of hyped on it. It's gonna be something kind of cool. I haven't even told Lisa I'm getting the muffler delete. This fool, oh no, boys, he's gonna be like, oh, that's what's up, bro. Watch, I don't know how he's gonna say it, but watch. If he says that word for word, he's gonna be like, let me think what he's actually gonna say. I'm like, cause I'm like, he thinks I'm just getting my exhaust leak fixed. I'm like, oh, I'm getting a muffler delete too. He's gonna be like, oh no, there's two out of two. Let me get two guesses. He's gonna be, oh really, for real? That's what's up, nigga. He's gonna say that, or he's gonna be like, oh shit, for real, nigga? That's what's up. I don't know, something like that. We'll see what he says though. What do you think I'm getting today? My exhaust fix, huh?
Yes.
I'm getting a muffler delete too.
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Hell yeah. Oh damn it, I tried to guess what you're gonna say. I was not even right. No, I am, dead ass.
What did you think I was gonna?
What? Hello? What the fuck is this nigga saying?
What did you think I was gonna say?
That's gonna get fixed, hopefully. I forgot. Fuck. Run the video back. Nah, it's good.
You're probably not gonna run the video back.
Nah. That's too extra right now.
Shit, I forgot my fucking beanie.
Your beanie? Oh my god. I thought you were gonna say fucking, oh shit, for real, nigga? Or some shit like that. I don't know. I forgot what I said exactly, but I said it to the
That's basically what I said, no?
Kinda. I think so. But I am.
Nice.
Because it hits, so hopefully it'll fix that too. We'll see right now though. And it's gonna sound a little better. Dude, I haven't even told these fuckers.
Finally. What?
Bruh, my boy, he has a cool little 8th gen Civic. That fool thinks he's gonna gap me, bruh. If this fool thinks he's gonna gap me too.
Hey, I don't know, because I haven't seen this nigga fully fucking gas it on here. Like, I haven't seen him fucking.
Let me tell you something. Yesterday I gassed it just to make sure. A 20 roll. No way I'm getting gapped, bro. Hell no.
I don't know.
Actually, I don't know either. I could get gapped, and the winner, well, the loser has to buy the other fool a lunch. Yeah. I'll show you guys when that goes down, but I gotta fix this exhaust leak real quick, and then I'm fucking flying, dude. For real. Ooh, the nigga's car's hella dirty. You hear that rattle? That's what we're gonna fix.
This sounds good. Yes, sir. Wait. This one's louder than that one. Oh my god. It sounds cool.
Alright, boys, you heard it, low key. We're about to hear it driving though. Wanna know how good it sounded? We're about to hear it though. Gas it. Oh! Oh shit! That sounds cool.
Way better, nigga. That sounds way better, bro. Let me tell you right now.
Golly.
I feel like people in the comments are gonna like this one.
Watch everyone be like, that shit sounds stupid. The only reason I did it because my old muffler, boys, is a bad muffler.
That sounds good. Nigga.
When I get the downpipe, I will be getting another muffler, so don't trip, boys. This is just for now. My old muffler was hitting like a motherfucker. So actually I haven't heard the hitting either.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully got rid of it. We'll see. That shit sounds clean though. I like it. I fuck with that. That's gonna be for sure more fun to drive now. I just like hearing the tone. I got my gauges. I almost killed Lisa. Who doesn't have a driver mod, bro? Who doesn't have a... You saw those shifts though? That was kind of cool. People are gonna be like, nigga had the music on when he was gassing it. I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Oh shit, they're shooting, nigga. Call the police, call the police, call the police. Boy, if you don't. Right now, we're going to visit back my old GTI. She's about to get a stage 1 tune. I just wanted to let you guys know and let her know. Don't get mad. I'm not taking her back. Don't fight with her. She's in good hands. Be respectful. Just have a good time. You feel me? Like, no need for violence, bro. No need for violence. We'll see what happens. I'm nervous though. I haven't seen her in a while too. Fuck. She's doing better though. She's doing better. She's getting the love she needed. Actually.
Actually, huh?
Hell yeah.
With a good owner.
I apologize for her, but
nigga, she's probably loving that nigga right now. Oh, what if she got over you, nigga?
No, I'm glad. I'm happy for her though, cause I didn't treat her how I should have. And that's on me. Right. Cause I got my new girl, and I'm making sure I treat her how I'm supposed to. Oh shit, nigga! God damn, that shit's loud, bro. I'm gonna call the police on you, low key, bro, low key. The old GTI, boys. Oh shit, bro.
How do you lose on the ECU?
Without the ECU, bro.
That's hard, nigga.
That sounds good, huh? That shit sounds clean, dude. Fool's already two-stepping. That shit sounds sick, dude. What the fuck?
Trying to sell the ECU.
ECU time, boys. God damn. This is what Misa wants me to do to mine, bro. But
yes.
that's way too loud, bro.
That sounds sick, huh? Yes.
No, that shit sounds clean, bro.
That shit's perfect, nigga.
God damn.
Beautiful.
Finally got the fucking ECU on. Oh my god. Oh. Sis.
Piece of shit. Hey,
Yeah. You didn't have two-step on your other one, huh?
no.
Oh, and it's kind of dark, so we'll see if it shoots flames too.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess in the day you can kind of see, but not the same effect.
I know.
Let's see what the fuck this shit talking about. His old cars right there, boys. They got fucked. Get used to the fucking.
You think it'll shoot flames?
Hell yeah! What the fuck? If it doesn't shoot flames, return it, bro. What are you talking about?
Imagine if you sent me a socket
That'd be the best scam, bro.
I'd try, bro. No, but there was like hella reviews on the thing.
That said it's
like
good?
5 reviews, yeah.
That's what's up then.
Yeah.
That's what's up. If it's cool, I'll probably get this one, if anything. Oh, shit!
Oh, I died. No!
What? God damn.
One of the comments, it said it misfired for a bit, and then it was normal.
sounds sick, bro. Hey, see, that's what I like. It's loud, but it's not super loud. Like my coworkers WRX is so loud. Like even just casually, huh? Yeah, like it's annoying. His is like annoying. This shit sounds good, nigga. See how it scrapes a little bit? A little bit. Oh shit! Oh god damn! I'm fucking. You're about to have another gist stain back here. For real, for real. I'ma definitely need a tune, bro. What the fuck? This shit sounds sick. Oh my god. Oh shit! That's what's up, bro. That's hard. I wonder if it does flamies. Probably. For real, huh? I'd say so. Oh my god. Does it feel faster? A little bit. They boosted up to like almost 17. Oh shit. You're tripping. This is so much backfire, bro. Oh god damn. Let's go to cap. That sounds sick. It's not like it's bouncy. Hell yeah. This shit rides smooth.
That shit, bro, it's like a motherfucker though.
I took to like, let's see, in 5th gear, it's not even loud. If you keep it under 2,000, it's not loud. It sounds sick though, that's what it is. That sounds lucky. Dude, I'm so happy the check engine light is in. That's like what I'm hella happy about. It came out cool, nigga. Sheesh. I'm gonna go into mine, not hearing no pops, I'm like, okay. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that's way faster, bruh. That's way faster. That's just clean. Oh shit. I mean, they taper like almost to 20, like 18. That's how much the tune is for. You're retarded. I feel that in my ass, bro. I feel that in my ass. Oh shit. That's what's up, nigga. That's what's up, nigga. That shit's fucking sick. Oh shit. Now you can hella smell it. Yes. Hell yeah, dude. Oh my. That's sick, bro. That's so fucking sick. That's so loud, holy shit. Hell yeah, you feel it in your ass. And that's inside the car, probably louder outside.
But I'm already knowing it shoots flames, bro. From the outside,
God,
no way.
Dude, I'm so fucking happy, holy shit. Nigga, that shit's clean, bro. Oh, dude, those have to be shooting, bro.
Yeah, nigga, no way you're not shooting flames, nigga.
Nah, well, those were loud right there. I'm gonna ask my dad if he wants to take it. Yeah, ¿quieres oírla? Oh, it shot! I saw it on my reflection on the trunk, bro. It shot flames, it shot flames, nigga. It shot flames. Wait, let me get out, yeah, let me get out, bro. Let me get out.
Hold on, bro.
Yes, bro. I saw it on the reflection. I saw it on the reflection, bro.
Put it on my phone, too.
Alright, give me your phone. Oh, you can smell the flames.
I know, bro. That was
dude, those were big ass flames too, dude. I think you should stand back, bro. You think so?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Let me back up then. Wait. Alright, go. Oh, fuck. Bro, my ears popped, bro. Oh, you blasted me back, bro. Oh, shit. Dude, good thing you told me to back up. Oh, good thing you told me to back up, bro. Yeah, boy, let me see. Look at this shit. Oh, dude, that's a big ass flame, bro. Yo, I need a two-step soon. I need a two-step soon. If anything, just a tune, bro. Holy shit. That's hella loud, bro. Nigga, that shit's fucking loud. That's a big ass flame. Dude, the flame fucking hit me. The flame, look how I move. Look how I move in the video, bro. You see I'm fucking dim. Bro, I'm so fucking dead. Nigga, that shit's sick though. What the fuck? I need a tune, bro. Dude, I should fucking scared the shit out of my ear pop. Look at my fucking shaking ass, bro. Oh, that shit's sick though. That shit's sick, nigga. That shit's sick. That shit's sick.
Hey, did you see that girl that was passing by?
Oh yeah, she got hella nigga. Yeah, she was like, fuck that shit, nigga. Just about to call the police.
That's fucking sick. That's fucking sick, bro.
That shit is sick.
Bro, so crazy how these little ass cars can make that big ass fucking flame.
Dude, that fat ass.
That's
flame,
like
nigga.
super type shit.
That's a fat ass flame.
You heard that shit?
For real. Oh my god.
Yeah, that was fucking sick.
Oh, dude, I'm so
I was not expecting it to be. Because then when you,
I thought it was gonna be like.
no, because when you showed your dad, I saw the reflection. I saw the reflection on the tank. Cruising with the boy. We're gonna. Oh shit! We're gonna go get something to eat. I'm not sure what we're gonna eat. Oh shit! But we'll see what we get right now. Actually, first we're gonna go take some pictures. And yes, my lights are still not on, boys. Don't roast me, all right? And it is pretty loud, bro. It is pretty loud. Because it cuts out. I can't hear mine.
Really?
Yeah, yours just takes over. Because usually most cars do that to mine because it's not that loud. But that shit is cool though. That shit is cool though. It's a cool little spot too. Cool little spot for the freaking GTIs. Got him. That's what's up though. Let me get out of the way for this fool. I'm gonna get out of the way. Oh, you're going this way then? I'll go this way then too. It's cold though, that's what it is. Wait, what are we gonna eat? What are we gonna eat?
I want something big though, because I'm hungry.
Big? Sus!
Hey, chill.
Sus! We got the cameraman over there, boys. Yo, this is sick though. We got the GTIs together. That's what's up, that's what's up. We'll see what we end up eating. I'm not sure. And make sure that you guys check on the Instagram. These pictures are gonna probably be on there, so you guys already know. We downtown with it, boys. I know you guys are, some of you guys are probably not from here. Just take a quick look, I guess. You can kind of get the vibe, I guess. I mean, this is a little bit off to the side, but just to give you an idea of how it is downtown over here. It's cool to always see different stuff, you know. And my car's hella dirty. My car's dirty as fuck. Fuck it, you know. Fuck it. And my car's dirty, dude. And my car's dirty.
It's cool. With the pictures you can't tell.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it, huh? Sheesh. That's what's up, though. Time to eat, boys. That's what time it is. That was pretty good, bro. I was not expecting it to be that loud, bro. Before I end the video, oh shit, let me give you guys a little rev. Oh. Pretty much how it sounds, boys. It sounds pretty cool. Louder than my old setup on my other GTI. But as you guys saw, the boy Roberto fucking went off with his tune. Must be nice. I'm gonna be happy. Well, hello. I'm gonna be having to get that soon. But other than that, boys, I like how it sounds. It's cool. I'm still gonna be racing the boy. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys then.